Hello, this is Jan, the Global Explorer. Today I'm in Hundested, a town in northern Zealand, and I'm taking a look at the harbor. Right now I'm at a mini golf course near the harbor, but when I move out from here it's rather windy, so I hope you can hear what I'm saying. Anyway, I'll just take a short walk around the harbor. A marina, they call it a harbor, but it is most like a marina, and they even have a pyramid here. I don't know what the pyramid's for. I haven't been in Hundested for many years, so the town has changed a bit. And here's a small rowing boat used for fishing, I can see, and some very nice sailing boats. Except sailing boats are quite often too expensive. It's just like sailing on a sailing boat, and owning one is like standing in a cold shower tearing dollar bills apart. Expensive and cold and wet. I have done a lot of sailing in my youth, and I didn't think at that time, but now that I'm old and starting to get gray, no, I am not starting, because I'm already gray in the top, I probably would feel like it as well. Well, another look. I'll stop the video and take a short walk and then start all over again. And this is a restaurant called The Mermaid, and there was a mermaid up there. Just wanted to show you. Now I'm at the pyramid, and I can see it's just a place where you can sit. Probably belongs to a restaurant, so you can sit and have yourself a beer and stuff like that in the summertime, but it's definitely not summertime right now. In front of me you can see a small ferry just about to leave the harbor. Hundested is on the entrance to a fjord, Isefjord, and this very small ferry sails to a town on the other side of the fjord, the mouth of the fjord, called Rørvig. So it was just happened by chance that the ferry was leaving when I got here. And you can see the harbor office in the background, and more restaurants on the other side of the harbor. But I think I will call it a day. I have been Jan, the Global Explorer. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, just click the subscribe button and press the bell to get alerted whenever I upload new videos, and please give me a thumbs up.